So with this vehicle, before we even started, we designed everything in Fusion 360 and gave them a full rendering. What it allowed us to do was to take the vehicle, scan it. So now we had our outline of where we were able to work, and then we modeled all of the components, each amplifier that was going to be in the vehicle, which are the ARC Audio coppers. And then we also modeled the ARC Audio X2 2500.1. And then we went as far as modeling each one of the woofers. So now that we had that all of the equipment was going to fit in the vehicle, we were able to dress it up and make it something. The top section of it, as you can see, is pretty rounded. And in order to do this, we're utilizing our 3D printers, printing this top section that is flanged on the inside. So the main flat part on the rear baffle will be birch, the lower baffle will be birch, and then the 1.5 inch of front baffle that holds the acrylic baffle will also be birch. Everything else is going to be 3D printed. And we were able to do all of this via CAD. So if the customer had anything that he wanted to change, or anything that as we progressed with the build was going to create us an issue, we were able to overcome them before we actually started executing the job, which allows us to have lower downtime with the vehicle, where this vehicle would have probably taken 3+ weeks. We're only going to have the vehicle now for 2, because we utilized the 3D printer along with the 3D scanning and modeling, and we're able to make parts prior to the vehicle showing up. And again, we were able to kind of see what kind of headaches we were going to run into down the road.